Eggs are one of the most familiar foods in every family kitchen. But have you ever wondered if the eggs we buy are really clean? At first glance, eggshells may seem shiny, but hidden beneath that surface may be countless things invisible to the naked eye. Dust, dirt, chicken droppings, and harmful bacteria. To clean eggs, you need a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 liter of water. Then drop in 5 eggs. Stir gently to dissolve the salt evenly. Soak the eggs for about 2 minutes. After soaking for the required time, we use a cloth to gently wipe the eggs clean. When a hen lays eggs, the eggs must pass through a passage called the anus to be laid out. The cloaca is also responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the eggs may include chicken droppings, feathers, and other contaminants. Now let's wash the eggs one more time to make sure they are really clean. One thing to note is that most people usually store eggs in the refrigerator. Therefore, before boiling, it's best to soak the eggs in clean water for about 10 minutes. This helps to balance the temperature, preventing the eggs from experiencing thermal shock when placed directly into boiling water. If eggs are not properly washed before cooking, these bacteria can penetrate inside, posing a risk of intestinal infections and even blood infections, especially in the elderly and children. After washing, arrange the eggs on a plate to drain the water. Tip 1. Boil eggs in an air fryer. First, prepare a bowl of water. I add a pinch of salt to it and stir well. Salt not only makes the eggs a little more flavorful, but also helps the whites set faster. Then, I crack 5 eggs into the bowl of water. When cracking the eggs, you should do it gently so that the yolks remain intact. The water will help the eggs retain their natural shape when cooked. Next, place the bowl of eggs inside the fryer. Adjust the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and set the time for 20 to 25 minutes. If you like soft, creamy yolks, you can check at the 20-minute mark. If you want them more thoroughly cooked, leave them for the full 25 minutes. Throughout this process, you don't need to monitor the heat or worry about boiling water spilling out. The heat from the pot will gradually heat the water and cook the eggs slowly, creating soft and beautiful poached eggs. When the time is up, I gently open the pot and carefully remove the bowl because the water is still very hot. Use a spoon to scoop each egg onto a plate. The result is evenly cooked eggs with soft, smooth whites surrounding golden yolks. This dish can be enjoyed warm, served with bread, salad, or a little ground pepper to enhance the flavor. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. I prepare 4 heat-resistant ceramic cups. Choose thick-walled ones to retain heat well. Then, I crack 1 egg into each cup, one after another, up to the 4th cup. After cracking, I check again to make sure no eggshell fragments have fallen in. Next, I add a pinch of salt. And pepper to each cup. And pepper to each cup, then use a fork to gently beat each cup until the eggs are smooth and well blended. Now I wash the spinach, drain it, and chop it finely. Then, I divide the spinach evenly and add it to each cup of eggs, making sure each cup has just enough so that when baked, the eggs cook evenly and smell better. Next, I dice one tomato and divide it evenly among the 4 cups, ensuring each cup has a mildly sour taste that is easy to eat and a brighter color. Then, I chop the bacon into small pieces and add it to each cup in moderate amounts, making the eggs more flavorful and rich when baked. Continue adding green bell peppers to enhance the dish's appeal. It's wonderful to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Finally, I finely chop the green onions and sprinkle them evenly over all 4 cups to enhance the egg dish's aroma. Next, I grate a little cheese and add it to each cup. When baked, the cheese melts richly, helping the eggs blend and bind the ingredients together more deliciously. Finally, place these egg cups into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the timer to 10 to 15 minutes. When ready, I carefully remove the cups, as they are very hot. Wait for them to cool for about 1 to 2 minutes to make handling easier, then use a small spatula or thin knife to gently loosen the edges of the cups so the cakes come out. After that, I flip the cups upside down onto a plate and gently lift them up, and the egg cakes fall out neatly. The finished product is a collection of small, colorful egg tarts, vibrant green vegetables, fresh red tomatoes, and rich, aromatic melted cheese, all enveloping a soft, smooth egg filling. This dish is both quick and easy to prepare, yet versatile enough to be adapted with any ingredients you have on hand in your refrigerator. So today, we've successfully completed 2 incredibly simple tips using eggs and an air fryer, yet they offer 2 completely different ways to enjoy them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.